Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. I don't know, I think it's morning time. Amy and I just got up. We're at a truck stop in New Mexico. It's 10:39 here. That means it's 11:39 back in Massachusetts and 8:39 in California. So we got up and ready to hit the road, and we noticed that we have a flat. Although we just did our tires and had everything checked, things happen while you're on the road. And that tire does not look too good. So it's Sunday. We call this 24-hour service. Numbers out there on the other side. $200 to have the man come in and do his thing. But hey, we got to hit the road, man. That's what it takes to get things done sometimes, But that's what happens. I'm grateful that he's coming in. Grateful that everything else is going fine. I'm grateful that I looked around and found it like that. And that's that CDL training. Do your perimeter checks, you know what I mean? Check everything, make sure everything's looking good, all your fluids are up. Make sure everything's good. We'll be on the road again soon as he pulls up. See you guys. Thanks for following. Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. Love
New
you
Mexico.
guys.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me go show you some scenery. Hold on, before we just take off like that. Look at this. I gotta show you this. Now, see ya. Have a great day.